Oh, do you guys like fondue? Whether it's melted cheese or melted chocolate, then this is the melting pot for you. So some of the things that I love about this Cuisinart melting pot is, well, first of all, I've had it for 13 years, and we've used it off and on, whether it's for cheese or for chocolate, and already it is heating up. You'll see over on the side, oh, look at that, the magnet just detached automatically. So if this short little cord is tripped on by a child, then it's not pulling the entire thing of molten cheese onto your child, or you could actually trip and fall also. But when we put it in, you can turn it up like this. That means that it's heating up. Eventually, when it gets to a certain heating point, it will stop like that. It'll turn off. And it'll just fluctuate back and forth between the temperature which you set it on. Now, some people mention, well, wait, my cheese is always burning, or my chocolate it just burned. No one likes burned chocolate. The secret is you have to constantly work it. As Chef Ramsay says, work it like a risotto. Up to the cook as to whether or not it burns. It's not the actual element itself. So keep it moving. The other thing that's kind of nice about this is that it does come with color-coordinated little skewers. Honestly, we just go with forks because these little guys don't really pick up a lot. So if you were to drop, let's say, some cheesecake into your melted chocolate, it's going to be pretty difficult to pull it out with the little tines. So honestly, just use regular forks for something like this. It is extremely easy to clean out, especially when you have some kind of greasy cheese. I just go to the store, to one of those used food stores like Grocery Outlet, and they have these gourmet cheeses that are usually on sale. Just use a whole bunch of those cheeses, pour some beer in there, throw some basil and some garlic powder, mix it up. Be sure that you mix it with some kind of plastic utensil so that you don't actually scrape the non-stick coating in there. You'll see that it's not scraped because we have been very careful to not scrape it with actual metal tines. But overall, it's amazing. It's lasted forever. It's sturdy. It's got these little rubber things on the bottom so that it shouldn't, in theory, go anywhere. But overall, it's awesome. The only thing to keep in mind is the cord is very short. So you might need an extension cable if you have this in the middle of a table and you're trying to reach the outlet. That's the only downside. But again, if someone does come along and accidentally trip it, you'll see that it's magnetic. How cool is that? 5 out of 5 stars. I hope this helps you guys.